The secret to making old-fashioned crispy salmon patties. Okay, salmon patties are one of those old-time favorites, not necessarily your children's favorite, but it was something back in my days that people relied on for a cheap and quick meal. I've taken a can of salmon and drained it. Luckily I have a cat which just loves the juice off of it. And I'm going to leave in the skin and the bones. Now some people may take those out, but I don't. And then it's just a matter of 2 eggs. And I'm putting in half a cup of onions because that's what we ate. We ate onions in ours. Now you can definitely leave it out. And then to make them crispy on the outside and tender in the side, you want a cup of crushed saltine crackers. Now I just put my crackers in the bag and use a rolling pin and get them in there. It's a matter of really you just need to take your hands and get in there and just mush all this together. Now some people may put parsley or dill. Now growing up we certainly didn't, doing good to get the onions. Now I'm going to cook mine in olive oil because really the only oil I keep is olive oil, coconut oil, and butter. And I definitely don't think coconut oil would go with this. But in my day, they would have used, well, we always had shortening and not Crisco. We had the store brand. Now in my grandmother's day, it would have been lard. Okay, so it's just a matter of just forming these into patties. I'm just kind of forming them in a ball and see about how big I'm making them. Now you can certainly make yours bigger, smaller, whatever you want to do. Now these would be called salmon croquettes if you made them, I've seen the restaurants, they would kind of roll them into a little log. Kind of like that, and deep fry them, and then they called them salmon croquettes. But we're just having plain old salmon patties. Okay. I've got them all ready to go. That didn't take long at all. Now I just need to pan fry them in a skillet of oil. Heat your oil on medium heat or medium to high until a drop of water sizzles. And then you can place your salmon patties in the pan and brown them on one side. Okay, flip them over, brown them on the other side, and then set them on paper towels to drain. Now we always ate ours with ketchup, but you can certainly use tartar sauce or cocktail sauce. Now I always try to look for ketchup without the high fructose corn syrup. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of these quick and easy to please recipes here at Homemade Cooking in Texas.